Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dada Ilyas Adebowale. In this video, I will be discussing how to make use of Canva AI Text to Image Generator feature to create mind-blowing designs of our choice. Canva AI Text to Image Generator is free and very fantastic and wonderful when it comes to its functionality. Therefore, I will be showing you how to create or generate an amazing, stunning image within seconds. Obviously, as we all know that in this channel, our smartphone is used to operate Canva. Yes, navigating with Canva using our mobile phone. Additionally, today, I am going to reveal the power of Canva AI Text to Image Generator feature to you as a beginner on how to make use of Canva in designing a variety of graphics just with your smartphone. You can see all these amazing images are generated by just typing text to transform into all these stunning images. All these images are generated by AI Text to Image Generator within seconds. This is what I'm going to explain in this video. Therefore, stunning and best images of your choice are created from Canva AI Text to Image Generator feature once it is applied appropriately. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video. However, don't forget to like the video and comment on the comment section of the video. Now, let me detailedly dive into what Canva AI Text to Image Generator is. First of all, what is text to image? This allows you to create unique images from a simple description in seconds. Within seconds, you create simple and very unique images, which are very fantastic. In a nutshell, text to image is a process of typing or inserting your preferred or choice of images in form of text or words, and watch your words transforming into unique or preferred images. Besides, text to image transform or turn your imagination into professional photo. 3D image, drawing, and lots more. Finally, Canva has this feature or function on its website or app to ease and enhance graphic designs for its users in order to transform their imagination from text to a mind-blowing, amazing, and fantastic images. Therefore, I will be moving into the steps that are involved on how to use text to image in Canva using your smartphone only. And I guarantee you that you can make use of your smartphone only to achieve this. As you all know that on this channel, we usually make use of our phone to navigate with Canva. Therefore, let me click on this. Let me click on Instagram post and see what will happen while we are creating this. I want to explain the steps that are involved in creating these very fantastic, amazing, mind-blowing images, just inserting your text to transform into images. Now, as it is loading, let me create this page. Now, as you can see, the first thing after you might have done this, I want to do this now. On the bottom corner of your Canva, the Canva working area editor, we are going to tap this very particular plus icon in a purple circle. I mean this very particular purple button. Now click on it. I've tapped on it. Now it is loading. The second step is to click on apps from the options on the bottom two section. Let's look for apps. As you can see, then we click on the apps. That is the second steps that are involved in actualizing these very particular stunning images. Now, the next step, which is the third one, is to scroll up. Let's scroll up. You can see now you scroll up to look for text to image icon. I mean, you look for this very particular feature under create something new. You can see this is it. Afterward, we click on it. Then I click on text to image under create something now, which is the third step. I click on it. The next thing, which is the fourth step, is to type in or enter your description of the image you intend in order to form your image. This description is in form of text. The more detail you can describe your imagination, the better. Therefore, what we are going to do is to type our imagination where we are having description box. But before then, let me try an example so that you can understand better of this powerful feature. Let me click on this plus icon. You can see a magical forest city from the future. Now, let me click on create your image. You can see now it is generating or creating the image from text to image. Here it is loading. Now you can see this very particular designs or image that the function of Canva AI Text to image generator has created for us. Any of the images that I want to pick, then I type on it. You can see this is it, but I don't need this. Now let me go back to app. Let me delete this. I don't want this. Now I click on the plus icon. Now let me click on this start over. Now that is if we want to try an example of what we are trying to explain. Now, still on the fourth step, type in or enter your description of the image you intend in form of text. Therefore, I'm going to type in my imagination in form of text where we are having the description box. Now, let me type this. Create a handsome boy. Now, the next thing, after I might have typed this, is to come to this very particular area, which is the fifth step. You have to choose a style, starting from photography, digital art, fine art, and so on and so forth. Now, I click on See All. I've clicked on See All. You can see, starting from photography, digital art, fine art. Now let me see this. Let me click on 3D. Now I've clicked on 3D. Now the next thing is to select or choose your aspect ratio. Now this is what they are trying to say. Do you want it to be in square or landscape or portrait? But I prefer square. The next thing is to click on create your image. Now I click on create your image. I've clicked on it. Now it is generating. Let's wait till it generates the image for us. This is it. You can see it has finished generating. Now, if I don't want this, if I want it to be okay, let me pick a watercolor and see the design is going to generate for us. Now I click on create again. Now it is generating. Let's wait till it generates. Now it is displaying, the creation of the images for us. Now you can see. That is it. Then if I don't want this, I can come here, see all. Let me click on see all. Let me click on ink print, anyone you prefer. Then okay, let me click on these very particular dreamy. Let me click on dreamy. I've clicked on dreamy. Then let me click on create again. I've clicked on it. It is generating the image for us, from text to a stunning image. Let's wait till it generates. Now, fantastically, you can see what it has displayed for us, what it has generated. This is how to go about this in making use of your Canva AI text to image generator to create stunning, mind-blowing images of your choice. If we don't want this, we can still do some other things. Let me click on this watercolor. No, let me click on this retro anime. Let me click on it and create again. I've clicked on it. Now it is generating. You can see this is fantastically fantastic. You can see how wonderful by clicking on the generated image to our design. I'm very interested this feature is. You can see what it has generated for us. Therefore, that is how to navigate with this very particular feature. If I'm satisfied with this, now the next step, which is the 8th one, is to add the generated image to your design by just clicking or tapping on the image. You can see, let me tap on it. You can see this is the 8th step. Now the 9th step is this: to create another image. In case you are not satisfied with the previous image, all you need to do, click on this create again. You will see what will happen now. It is going to create another entire images for us. Now let's wait till it generates. Now it's about showing the images to us. This is wonderful. You can see these images are quite different from the previous one. Now that is the 9th step, by clicking on the create again if you are not satisfied with the image. While the 10th one is to click on the start over if you intend to insert new description, new imagination. You have to click on start over. Now let me click on start over. You can see it has brought us to the interface of the text to image. Now let me click on the description box. I want to type in create a beautiful environment with flowers with flowers, birds, trees, animals, pathways, and a beautiful sky. A beautiful sky. Now, I've typed in my imagination in form of text. The next thing is to click on create your image. But before creating on this, I need to pick my style. Let me click on the style I want. Let me click on see all. Now let me click on concept art, gradient. Let me see to what I want to choose. No, I prefer the photography or digital art. No, let me click on this very particular let me click on this gradient. Let me click on this gradient. Now still the same square. My aspect ratio, I still prefer square. Now let me click on create your image. Now it's generating the image in order to transform it from text to image of our choice. Now you can see how beautiful this is. If you can see, let me click on this and see to what. See how beautiful it is. You can see. Now if you don't want that, you can still click on this. You can still click on this. Now you can see how beautiful it is. It depends on your choice. Therefore, that is how to go about this. Let me see to what I can still do on this. Let me say, okay, let me click on watercolor. Now create again. I've clicked on the create again. Now it is generating images for us. You can see this is it. You can see how beautiful they are. You cannot pick any of your choice or preferred image. Let me click on this. You can see how beautiful and wonderful this is. You can see. Now this is it. Now let me go back to the function or the feature. If I want it to be let me choose none. Let me choose none. Create again. Now it is generating. Now you can see how beautiful this is. That is how to make use of your Canva AI text to image generator in creating a stunning image for us while we are designing. Now the next thing I'm going to do is this. Let me click on this, start over. Now let me type in a lady sitting down on a chair, crossing her legs with a laptop on her lap. Create image. Let's see what it's going to create for us. Now it is generating the image by transforming it from text. You can see how beautiful these images are. You can see I can prefer clicking on this. I click on this. You can see. Or let me do it this way. Let me click on these three dots. Then come here, set image by. You can see. If I want to insert anything here, I might do it by doing it this way. Then let me go to elements. Now I go to elements. Let me pick this. You can see I can easily insert it in anywhere I prefer. I can put it here. if I want it to be there. And if I don't want it to be there, I can bring it down here. I can bring it down here. Now, if I want to insert something there, I can come here by clicking on this. Then I can come to text. Then the next thing is to pick design graphics like a pro. You can see this is it. Now you can have it here by inserting it here if you like it, or if you want it to be in that way. Now I can change the font or the color. Let me change the color. Let me see to what I can change the color to. Okay, this brown. Okay, let me leave it like this. Now font size, I'm okay with it. Let me see what I can do to that font. Okay, let me pick this Vela. Okay, let me pick this one and see to. Okay, if I'm okay with it, then I leave it like that. That is how to go about this. Design graphics like a pro. If you want it this way, you leave it. And if you want to make any adjustment, you try to do that. That is how to make use of our Canva AI text to image generator in designing stunning graphics. Now, that is that on this. I want it to be in form of dreaming. I click create again. Now it is generating the image for us. You can see how it is generating. You can see this is fantastic. You can choose any of your choice. If I want to choose, I might decide to choose this. I've clicked on it. Then I come here to the three dots. Then click on set image as background. You can see how beautiful this is. On this, if we want to insert, we might insert elements there. Okay, let me click on the elements. I've clicked on the elements. I might decide to insert this. Let me click on this. I've clicked on it. Let me make it smaller. I can put it here. That is the power of Canva AI text to image generator in designing our graphics. This is where I will be stopping for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and comment on the comment section for more useful or helpful video on how to navigate with Canva using your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.